I'm Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Adriana. Corn dogs are a fun treat to eat at fairs and at home. Today we're going to be putting a little twist on your normal corn dogs. On today's show, we will be making waffle corn dogs. This is a great snack for movie or game nights, and it's so easy to make. For today's recipe, you will need a waffle maker and the following ingredients: 4 hot dogs, 1 box corn muffin mix, 1 large egg, ½ cup of sour cream, ½ cup shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 tablespoons chives chopped, and cooking spray. As always, adult supervision is required. Okay, let's begin. Have an adult preheat the waffle maker. In a large bowl, combine corn muffin mix, egg, melted butter, and sour cream. Stir evenly until combined. Fold in the shredded cheddar cheese and chives. Now set the bowl aside. Cut each hot dog in half. Now let's stick a skewer into each piece. Don't forget to spray the waffle iron with cooking spray. Spread about half of the batter onto the waffle maker. Place hot dogs on top. Be sure that the skewers are facing outward. Spread the remaining batter over the hot dogs. Let's close the waffle maker. Cook until waffle is cooked through about 4 minutes. Carefully remove the corn dogs from the waffle iron and slice into eighths. And there you have it, folks, waffle corn dogs. Don't forget the ketchup or mustard for dipping. Now let's take a bite. I think I'm gonna try it in the ketchup first. I must say, this is way better than the fare. Thank you for joining me again on Cooking with Adriana. Keep following us on social media and check out our YouTube channel for more cooking adventures. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.